Ayan na! Welcome to the happiest place on earth! Muna ginaingon og kuan True to Life Disneyland. Magpila gyud kada ana. Bago ka makasulod dinato ka daghan tawo. Selfie. Hi guys! Nanami diri sa Disneyland. So medyo init karon no. Mas okay na ni kaysa sa the other day nga nag-ulan. So buti na lang na-move na mo.
Welcome to the world-famous Jungle Cruise Queue. Enjoy your adventure on the Jungle River Cruise today. And before you may get wet.
Three days and 2 nights. We will start our journey right now. You can see the elephant mommy and the elephant baby, and she's teaching a baby to use his drag. Hello, so cute. Okay, very good. Then let's go right now. First of all, look at your right cheek. This year is the 20th anniversary of the Hong Kong Disneyland, so Mickey have played some magic on our boat. But see, zebras, giraffe, and the African elephant. Oh, and attention seeker on the right-hand side. And attention seeker on the right-hand side. Let's guess, what is this elephant's gender? You want to find together with me?
Over here!
Alak na kap! Alak na alak.
Yawa jud yung.
Ha?
Kap, kumusta ang barangay kap?
Walang barangay kap! Buang kap! Wala pa yung, ayuda!
Hi, Kap! Hello!
Kap! Nasa ka kap?
Kap!
Kap!
Over here!
Alak na kap! Alak na alak.
Moana.
Ha?
Moana? Everyone.
Moana.
Moana. Uy, amazing. Oo, yun no. Puta ka ito gitang pinangan. Di worth it. Ay, bakit namin na?
Sad mi dire karon sa Moana nga theater presentation. Hawban ako si Madam. Kay si Madam i-judge na pod niya ilahang presentation daw. So gani nag-rate niya ang 4 out of 10 daw to dito sa Picas. So stricto kaya ko ang management din nga sa.
哎，一起帮忙做好了。